I'm gonna tear your ace up like we just got married and you're all mine now. Tonight is the night we've been waiting for all our lives. Or maybe for just tonight. Tear your ace up cause you're in no hurry like I am now. I'm getting older and older all of the time. Or maybe for just tonight. Hey everyone, Blaze Plays Guitar Lessons. I'm sorry it's been a while since I've come out with a video. I got sick, I got tonsillitis. I thought it was COVID, but it wasn't, so lucky me. But anyway, thanks. Sorry if my voice is a little hoarse. I haven't been doing this for a while. So anyway, I got this song requested, and it's been a little while, but I'm happy to play it for you guys and to teach you. So this is how to play Bedroom Talk by The Starting Line. This is such a great song. I really appreciate the request. All right, it brought back some old memories for me. So, this is a pretty simple song to play. You're going to put a capo on the first fret, you're going to do standard tuning. But before you do that, hit subscribe and like so you can get notified when I come out with new videos, okay? If you haven't done that already. If you have, thanks a ton, I really appreciate it. So, let's get into this. So the chords that you're going to need for this song are primarily, we're going to start with A. Okay, then you're going to do F sharp minor. Just like that. This one doesn't, so you're just doing a power chord and then this bars, okay? So it's on, you bar the second fret and then you put your ring finger on the fourth fret in relation to the capo, the fourth fret on the A string, and then your pinky, okay? Your pinky goes on the fourth fret on the D string, okay? You don't have to bar it if you can't, you can just do that, okay? You just won't want to play all the bottom strings if you do that, okay? So you're going to do F sharp minor and then D. And then you're going to use E. And then the other chord I think you use in the song is B minor. Okay, but we're not going to use that quite yet. So, for the intro, you're going to do this. You're going to go so you just do A, and it's just down, up, down, up. So down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, then you go to F sharp minor. Okay, then you go to D. Okay, then you go to E. So it's A, F sharp minor, D, E, D, E. Then you're gonna go to D, okay? So you go D, E, D at the end, kind of like dead, all right? Now, you can just do the whole thing just this way, with this down, up, down, up. It's a very common punk strum from back in the day. But if you would like, and this sounds a little bit better, is when you go back to the D at the end of the intro, you go, okay, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay, just like that. And then you're just gonna do D, and you're gonna go straight into A, okay, so because A is where the verse starts. All right, so you could do that. Now, but if you just want to do the straight, that the whole time, that's fine. And then you just go, when you get to the verse, you're gonna be palm muting the entire time, okay? You're gonna put this part of your hand here as low as you can, right there on the strings, okay, right next to that white bridge thing. Okay, so you're gonna put it right there, and you're gonna strum like that, okay? So that's palm muting. So you're gonna do A, B minor, and then D. Okay, that's the verse. It's A, B minor, D. Okay, you're gonna do that 4 times. So you're gonna go so down, 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 down. That's all it is for the verses. Okay, down, 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 down. Okay, so it's just that, just down, 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 down. Okay, so you're gonna go. I got the talk. So it's I got. I is A, I got the talk, and then after talk you do B minor, talk when I was younger. So then D, okay, D is on younger. Younger and understood. Then you go back to A. As I recall, so recall, right after recall you do B minor. Recall they hadn't mentioned is D, mention this at all. Okay, then you go back into A. I'm not going to go through the whole thing because I could have a super long video on this if I did. I went into every specific thing. Okay? So then in the pre-chorus, you're going to do F sharp minor. I've got big, big plans. Okay, so you're going to do F sharp minor, big, big plans. And you're just kind of doing that whole like down, up for almost the whole song. I've got big, so you don't do play until big, you do F sharp minor on big. I've got big, big plans. Big, big, F sharp minor, big plans. So down, up, down, up, down, up. I've got big, big plans. Okay, and you're gonna do it just like that. So you're gonna do down, up, down, up, down, up on E. And you're gonna go, and they've got, and they've, so got is where you do F sharp minor, got to mean something more. So then you do the same thing there, okay? Then just once. So you do that 3 times where you do the F sharp minor, D, E. You do that 3 times. And then the last line of the pre-chorus, you're gonna do B minor. So you're gonna do, I just don't know what I want. So you're gonna do B minor, D. I just don't know what I want. Okay, want is D. Want. And then you're gonna mute. Okay? So then you'll mute it, and then you'll go to I'm gonna tear your. Okay, you do tear on A. Alright. Sorry, you do A on tear. I'm gonna tear your A up like we just got married. And you're gonna play that for the whole first line, that just that down, up, down A. Just got married and you're all mine now. So on all is where you do F sharp minor. All mine now. Tonight is D. Tonight is the night we've been waiting for all our lives. So all our lives is E. Our lives. Or maybe, so when you go, or maybe is where you go back to D. Or maybe for just tonight. So for the first time you play the chorus, you just play that first section right there. You go A, F sharp minor, D, E, D. Okay, and that's it. Then you go into the second verse, which is just that same A, B minor, D, 4 times through, and then the same pre-chorus. You play the same chords as like before. Then when you do the chorus the second time, you just repeat the same chords when you play it through. So get your A up, 'cause you're in no hurry, like I is F sharp minor. I am now. I'm getting older. You can see it's exactly the same. So it's just still that A, F sharp minor, D, E, D. Okay? Then the last thing here is the bridge. And for the bridge, you're gonna palm mute, okay? And the next part is the hardest to admit and explain, but I've got to get it right, she said. But I'll chew you up and spit you out like all of them. Okay, so you're just gonna do that. If you don't want to palm mute it, you don't have to. I can't remember for sure. I'm pretty sure you palm mute that whole part, but you don't have to. Okay. So the chords you're gonna do is E, and then D, and then E, and then D. So you do that twice. Then you're gonna go to B flat or B minor, and I'll chew you up and spit you out like all. Okay. So B minor's on chew, like all of them. All is A. All of them. Okay, them is E. I'm gonna punch you right back in my mouth. Okay, so that's B minor. I know that okay, I is E. I will always love you. Love you. Okay, is where you do D. Love you. Okay, then you're gonna go back and I don't know. You can palm mute it. You can do whatever you think sounds best, but I think it does sound really cool if you go, I tore your A up like we just got married and you're all mine now. Okay, so you start with F sharp minor. I tore your A up like we just got married and you're all is D, all mine now. Tonight is A, tonight is the night we've been waiting for all our lives. Our lives is E, our lives, or maybe for just tonight. Okay, so D is maybe, just tonight. You're gonna get your A up, and then you'll do that. You'll do the strumming, okay? That's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, other requests. I'll be happy to oblige as much as I can. Thanks, guys. It's been fun. See you next time.